never, ever would I ever initiate a conversation with her. For 7 years, I've been called a fat and a bitch, and I don't say anything to her. And then...
It's when she, like, starts coming over here as well.
Yeah, and she says it first. She goes, stop harassing me.
You're the one that said to her first, stop harassing me.
Yeah.
On October 31st, 2025, officers in Colts Neck, New Jersey responded to a reported violation of a court-issued no-contact order between two neighboring tenants. The order had been in place since 2023, issued by a municipal court judge following a prior arrest of the upstairs neighbor at the downstairs neighbor's front door.
She was at her property.
She wasn't out.
At this time, you're under arrest, okay?
Oh my God, baby. Oh my God.
I need you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay? Just relax.
I didn't do anything. This is so fast.
So what's going on?
I have a do not contact in place with my downstairs neighbor after an arrest in 2023 where she was at my front door, not letting me in, harassing me, following me around, recording me at like 2 a.m. after many instances of petty things that never, ended up in an arrest. She doesn't live here. Well, she lives here, but she's not always home. The last 3 to 4 times she's pulled in, which is what happened today. She walks up my sidewalk to my front door where she's on the other side of the building, but Judge Solon-Bleck gave her a do not contact in place, but she's doing petty things lately where she's like recording my front door on my side of the building, my garden. Today I happened to be opening my front door. She had her camera out, recorded me, spoke to me, and then now she's inside saying, I'm scared of you, like mimicking me, mocking me. I want her to leave me alone.
Do you have any video or anything of it?
I've started because instances of keying my car and more things in the past, I didn't have video. Now I've started to install security cameras and stuff. That's why she was finally arrested. She's often under the influence of drug use and alcohol. But so I came to my front door and I took out my camera. I'm not speaking. This is her.
What was that address again?
She eventually speaks to me. Stop harassing me, she says.
Okay.
I had a do not contact in place so that you stop harassing me. Because Officer Cap told me to tell her stop harassing me verbally. Maybe as a way to try to have something. Back last December, she installed an exterior floodlight that she shined into my bedroom window. So I've been wanting that remediated. So I think she's starting. But I deserve.
Where's she at? 27? 27, so we're on the other side.
And I haven't, I could download another security video that shows her actually walking up.
Yeah, so I mean, the thing,
I gave you.
I'm gonna be honest, because it's very weird, the wording with your whole thing. Because it says, you can sign complaints against her, but doesn't say, directly that we do. So I just want to double check that
I
with.
can show you the do not contact.
I know, I have a copy of that.
Okay.
Yeah, so I also want to go and talk to her and just see, what her deal is right now.
All right, yeah.
So give me a second, let me go talk to her, and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah.
You can wait inside. We'll knock on your door.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, thank you. Yeah, and I'm sure it's about the exterior lights shining into my bedroom window. I've been cleaning up with it since last December.
I gotcha. All right, we'll be right back with you, okay?
Leave me alone. Thank you.
No problem. She's just watching outside her window. Has no idea we're right here. Hi there.
How are you, officers?
What's going on today?
I'm on the phone with my fiance, just he's listening as well.
Okay.
So what's going on? I just arrived home and I went to. I had received a violation regarding my light, which from the HOA, and I spoke with them, and they said it was based on a complaint and not based on the fact that it was in violation of the HOA. And I said, well, have you sent one to every person with the light? That's the original light. And they said it must be replaced with that light fixture. And she said, no, but if you can, I said, well, that's harassment on a different, that's not an HOA violation. So she said, if you take photos, let us know and send us an email, we'll follow up. We'll get rid of your violation because there's no ordinance per se. So I said, okay. So I got home. I walked outside. I walked to take a picture of my neighbor over there on that side's light. The neighbor who I have no contact with stepped outside, saw me, started filming me. I took a picture of her light. I continued on, take a video. She engaged with me and said, stop harassing her. Stop coming to her door. I said, I'm not harassing you. I said, I'm not harassing you. Please stop harassing me. And she said, I have a no contact order. You're slurring. You scare me. And I said, I'm not even engaging with you. And she said, you just spoke to me. I continued on my way. I took
Do you have a video of that by any chance?
I don't have a video of her saying that, but she does. She has a video of her saying that.
Yeah, I saw her video, and it's you actually starting the talking, though.
Because that's where she deleted it from. She probably has a video on her camera as well from her phone thing. She has a full video. But
you understand, like, the way we avoid situations like this, though? Hear me out real quick.
I'm listening.
Is you not going anywhere near her.
I didn't go near her. She came outside.
You're out on her front step, basically.
No, I wasn't on her step, sir. Please.
You're right in front of her house.
But I live here.
You're recording it.
Sir, I was taking a picture because of a violation because she's called the cops on me for a light. She's harassing me. She's called. I have a picture.
Okay, but
I didn't engage with her.
She has a no contact
I didn't engage with her. I live here, sir. Respectfully,
and you're standing out front of her house recording it.
No, I wasn't. I was.
You just told me you were recording.
I started recording when she started recording me.
Just lower your voice a little
I would
bit,
like to show you, please. May I?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you can see right here. I'm taking a picture. Right. I'm sorry. Would you like to see?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
You may step in.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sorry, my phone's Alright. Babe, hold on 1 second, okay? So, this is as I get there, she comes out and begins recording. You can see I'm taking a picture right there. I move on. I take a picture. I move on. This is where I begin recording because I said that she's planting and overgrowing and she just continues recording. I don't speak. I continue. And you see I move along. This is all time stamped. I'm not engaging with her in any way. This is my home here. I'm standing in front of it. Move along, filming. So overgrown bushes that she's planting, but I am blocking my windows in my home. And you see, I take pictures of her unit there. Oh wait, that's going backward. Oh, these are all as it recorded. Take pictures, stills. Then.
But you don't have any video of her
speaking? No, because I didn't start recording her because I wasn't there to record her.
Okay.
So if you ask her for her camera from start to finish, where I first approach on her light up there, you'll see the full video, which I'm sure she doesn't send you the picture of, because that wouldn't be like her. You can see then I take a picture of that neighbor's. This is all on a time thing.
But you understand what I'm saying, though. I
understand, but I didn't. She came and approached me, sir. I did avoid it.
Just hear me out. Just hear me out. She has no contact order against you.
And I contacted her.
Yeah, but you're standing outside her house.
No, I was standing outside of my home, sir. Respectfully, that's my house. And I was letting the
relax.
I'm assuming you're telling me I can't stand in front of my home. The court order says again.
Well, I'm saying you're recording them. So.
I wasn't recording her.
Okay.
I just started to see you recording.
Just wait here. I'm going to go make a couple phone calls, and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay, but this is absurd. This is not okay.
I agree.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to shut the door.
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Yep.
Thank you.
So she was taking pictures of HOA violations because she got an HOA violation, and then she came out and said, "Why are you taking pictures of my house?" That's basically the story.
Yeah, exactly. So, you see what Matt says.
And then they engaged because they're saying that she engaged with her for whatever. It's he said, she said.
But if she engages at first, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I understand the, still it's no contact order and all that, but,
yeah.
She's an issue, but she got
Who do you call?
I think it's almost someone. So, I guess she got the accused, got a complaint from HOA saying she needed to change it, and they told her to go around and take photos of everyone that doesn't have the proper light. So, that's what she was doing. This lady comes out to call her, and she's recording it, and kind of sounds like says, "Why are you recording my house?" Like standing on the public sidewalk. Like,
okay, so it wasn't at they made it
no,
the front door.
But then they did talk to each other. I'm like, is this technically a violation of the court order? You know what I mean?
But do you call Sonnenblick for that? Because Sonnenblick issued the order.
Or it's called Kathy.
You call Kathy.
Yeah.
And then me will be like, oh, yeah, absolutely. But she's doing it from the street.
Yeah. Let me go see if this lady has more video.
Did she see her and make contact with her?
Yeah, that's basically what it sounds like. But it's two separate stories for you, I think. So let me try talking to her real quick.
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
Like, the incident that occurred today is exactly the incident that happened in 2000.
Can I see that video again real quick?
Yeah, I was just downloading, the one of my...
Yeah, do you have it, from the beginning?
Yeah.
So, let me be honest. So what she's trying to say is that you initiated talking to her first?
No.
Yeah, that's why I want to be able to see.
Does everyone want
No, it's all right. You can show me.
All right. So this is her walking up my sidewalk. This is my front door. It's closed. Sorry. Meridian calls me every time I go to the doctor for a survey.
Do you mind if I just hold it so I can hear it a little louder?
So I happened to open my video. I didn't know she was going to be at my front door because it's my front door. I should be able to freely come and go.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, she pulls in. Sorry, the internet stinks. And I feel like my videos have been the only thing that helps me secure something. It's just, don't mess with it for a second because it's freaking out with internet right now.
Here, if you want to try to get it back up again. Is it better if we move closer to your...
Well, data shouldn't work, but here. So she parked at her Volvo.
Okay.
She's walking up my sidewalk. It moves sometimes, so it's a little annoying, but volume should be on. I don't know if you could hear it over the engines. That's me opening my door. I don't say one word to her. Never, ever would I ever initiate a conversation with her. For 7 years, I've been called a fat and a bitch, and I don't say anything to her. And then...
It's when she, starts coming over here as well.
Yeah, and she says it first. She goes, stop harassing me.
I kind of do not contact the
That's
police
me.
so that you stop
She says, can you please stop harassing me?
Okay.
First, I say not one word to her.
Okay. All right, let me go make a phone call real quick, and I'll be right back with
It's
you,
been 7
okay?
years, and I'd really appreciate it.
No, I understand. Just give me 1 second, okay? Let me talk to them, and I'm going to make a phone call.
It's just going to be petty thing, and Officer Cap was even considering doing a summons because of the light, because he's like, I have 1 year left, and, it's ridiculous, and my mom grew up next to Dana.
So I'm going to be honest. She's trying to say that she got the complaint about the light, and I guess HOA did something.
Because
she
installed a floodlight.
She's saying that she was. I understand, but she's saying that she was told by HOA to go and record everyone that has improper lights.
No.
So
No.
that's their story.
I know.
Listen,
I
completely
go to all
get
the board meetings, and I talk to Colleen, who's the HOA manager. That's not the case.
Yeah, just give me a second. If you want to just wait inside, I'll come back up in a moment.
The last time she was home earlier in the week, she doesn't come all the way to my front door, and she's not recording the light. She's recording my bedroom windows and my garden, which is on the side of the building, and I have a video of that as well,
Okay.
to show it's not my light.
Okay. I got you.
Story.
All right, just give me a couple minutes, and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Thank you.
So, are you able to email me that video?
Absolutely. I've emailed videos to
I'll
officers.
give you my email right now if that works for you.
Yeah.
Or I can get my card in a second.
It's okay, but Judge, I
I was on the phone. Can I just see the video one last time?
Yeah, the one on my security camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not the Wednesday one, the one from today.
Yeah, no, I had showed him my own recording, and then I showed him this one.
I think they're both capture the same thing for the most
I don't
part.
get her walking down the sidewalk.
Yeah,
But I installed
I'm just gonna
this.
turn the volume up.
Yeah, and I installed this because she was showing up my door, keying my car, opening my gas tank, and.
contact in place so that you stop harassing me. I'm not.
But she's the one that speaks. I'm standing in my car.
You just spoke to me,
And I say, you just spoke to me because she goes to.
and you're slurring.
And then, Wesley, can you show me the video that you actually have too?
Yeah, probably.
Like I said, I just want to make sure we have
Recording.
everything
Yeah,
that...
so.
Do you mind if I hold your phone for this
No
too?
problem. Do whatever you need to do because I just want to stop living this nightmare. I thought this would protect me and it hasn't been very effective.
All right, that's fine.
Please, thank you.
All right, just stay inside. Email. I'll give you my card in a second, okay?
Just stay inside for a minute.
All right,
Yep.
thank you.
What's up?
Come on here.
Yeah. All right, can you step outside?
The core legal question in this footage is not whether a violation occurred in an emotional sense. It is whether the arresting officer had sufficient probable cause under the Fourth Amendment to make a warrantless arrest. Under United States v. Watson, 1976, a warrantless arrest in a public place is constitutionally valid when an officer has probable cause to believe a criminal offense has been committed. The officer here reviewed video from 3 separate sources: the subject's phone, the subject's security camera, and the protected party's surveillance camera before forming that determination. What he found on the protected party's camera was the critical piece. The subject appearing to initiate verbal contact first, captured on 2 independent recordings. That evidence, combined with the complainant's first-hand account, clears the probable cause threshold. The arrest was legally supported at the moment it was made, regardless of the subject's ultimate guilt or innocence.
So, I'm going to be honest with you. You're the one that initiated talking to her. It's on video on her surveillance camera and on her phone, the video she took.
Came out, I was outside.
She was at her property.
She wasn't out.
At this time, you're under arrest, okay?
Oh my God, baby. Oh my
I need you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Oh my God, please. Hold on.
Give me the phone.
Hold on. Hold on. What are you doing? What are you saying? Wait, baby, call my God. Call Michael, please.
All right, we'll call him.
Just relax.
I can't do anything. This is so fast. Baby.
He's on the phone, man. He's on the phone. You want to talk to him?
Yeah. They're arresting me. Because they said I engaged with her, but she came outside. I was already out. I was taking a picture of the neighbor's thing.
Listen, you talk to her. That's a violation. That's personal contact. Relax. You need to relax. Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up and relax.
We gotta walk to the car.
Okay, so.
I'm gonna try to get you in and out as fast as I can,
I'm
okay?
so seriously my daughter trick-or-treating. I don't even stay here.
Unfortunately, you talk to her. There's nothing I can do.
How is that fair that she's allowed to? Like she came, like I'm not even here and she's harassing me. She's putting HOA violations, calling the cops and whatever here.
Okay, but the thing is, listen, just hear me out. And the whole thing, you can't have. How is she provoking? All right, let's just go. We're going in the car, please.
I was already standing there. She came out. I was not in front of her. I was not engaged with her. She said, "Stop coming to my door." I didn't come to her door. I don't come to her door. I had to.
But you didn't have to talk to her. It's simple as that. All you had to do is. Why were you filming right in front of her house as well?
Because I was
relax. Do not pull. Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not pulling away from you. I'm trying to be respectful and look at you, my species.
All right, say goodbye to your fiance.
I love you, baby.
We're gonna call him.
Just listen. Be cooperative with me. I'll get you out of here as fast as I can. Okay? You gotta stop pulling away from me. Okay?
I'm sorry. I'm not.
All right.
How can we secure your house?
Just shut the green door to lock.
In a lock?
Do me a favor. You gotta sit up a little bit because I want you to be.
This is bullshit.
Yep.
The governing statute is New Jersey Statutes Annotated 2C 29-9 Contempt of Court. This provision criminalizes any knowing violation of a court order. If the underlying contact also constitutes a crime or disorderly person's offense, the violation is elevated to a fourth-degree crime. Otherwise, it remains a disorderly person's offense. The critical phrase is any contact. New Jersey courts have interpreted this broadly. The order does not require physical proximity, threatening language, or hostile intent. A single verbal exchange, even one word directed at the protected party, constitutes contact within the meaning of the order. The statute contains no provocation exception. The subject's central argument that the protected party came outside first and initiated recording raises a legitimate factual dispute, but it does not constitute a legal defense. Being recorded in a common outdoor area is lawful under the First Amendment. The protected party had every right to step outside her own home and film the shared walkway. In City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, the Supreme Court affirmed that expressive activity in public spaces is broadly protected. Recording a neighbor on a shared walkway falls within that protection. The subject, therefore, had no legal basis to treat the protected party's recording as a provocation that excused her own response. The First Amendment protected both women's right to record, but only one of them had a court order requiring total avoidance of the other. That asymmetry is the entire legal problem here. The moment the subject spoke, the order was violated. The subject also argued she was on a shared walkway for a legitimate purpose, documenting lights for an HOA dispute. Physical presence near the protected party's unit is not, by itself, a violation. No contact orders restrict communication and contact, not mere physical proximity in shared common areas. Had the subject remained silent and disengaged, no violation would have occurred under the plain language of the order. This distinction matters. The subject was not arrested for being outside, she was arrested for speaking. One act was protected, the other was not.
Hey, 8475
Wait, is this for Halloween?
Go away, buddy. I'm sorry right now. We're in the middle of something.
Okay.
Proceed.
So that's his email address there. Can you just email him your cell phone video and the
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them.
Absolutely.
So she was placed under arrest for violating that
Thank
contact
you, I
order.
appreciate it because
all right.
it keeps happening. It's
Yeah.
everybody's
He's gonna have. Have you gotten a victim witness form before?
when she was arrested in 2023.
Last time, yeah. So he's gonna. We just don't have any on us on it right now. He's
I'll
gonna
pick it
fill
up
one
at
out.
the station.
Well, he'll bring it back to you.
Okay.
So you're gonna be
I can
around
pick up
tonight?
the report if it's.
We'll bring it back to you tonight.
All right.
You gotta get the form today.
Yeah,
so.
I should be around. My
Okay.
mom's at Riverview right now. I might have to give her a ride home, but.
Okay. If not, we'll have
Yeah.
it for you. Okay.
Thank you. I
All right.
appreciate it.
If anything else happens tonight with any other contact or anything like that between anyone else, just give
That
us a
should
call.
be
Okay.
the only thing, hopefully. That's
Yeah.
my only
I got you.
issue. So I,
All right, ma'am.
I appreciate it. Thank
Yep.
you.
No problem. I hope everything's well.
Take this off you. Swap this over a little bit. Step on out for me. Careful, it's a little tight. Just step towards me. I'm gonna go back this way.
Sorry, I didn't think it would go that way.
You're fine. Just keep walking. You don't have anything else on you, right? And then you're. I said we have a female officer coming. They just have to search you. Where you guys put everyone out in here? Where you guys just have them sitting over here?
You just take them against the wall.
Yep, I got you.
Right there, and you just figure out where she is.
Yep, you got it. Thank you. You take a seat right here on the right. All right. So like I said, we have a female officer coming for you, so it's just going to be a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to try to get as much done for you as I can in the meantime. Do me a favor, stand up. Just be cooperative for me, okay?
I
Appreciate you.
From you. I was just. I'm sorry.
I know you're upset. I understand.
I'm only here to see my daughter.
I get it, but like I said, you have that court order. Even if you talk to her one time, you're the one that initiated it.
She came outside and
She came outside her own home.
I was outside my own home.
Okay, but
That's the thing.
you didn't need to talk to her though.
She didn't need to come out and start recording me and say, "I'm scared of you."
Listen.
And go inside your home if you're scared of me.
You're the one that said to her first, "Stop harassing me."
Yeah, because she was.
Okay.
She came
Guess
outside
what?
and started
That's
filming.
personal contact. You violated
It wasn't
the.
personal contact. I was-
That is contact. You talk to her. We're going to agree to disagree on that point, okay? All right, like I said, as long as you're cooperative with me, listen. Look at me. As long as you're cooperative with me, I will get you out of here as fast as humanly possible, okay? Go ahead and answer. You have to be quick.
Hello?
Hey, baby, what's up?
Why are you not getting me?
What are you talking about?
You're not getting me.
What, right now?
Yeah. From Reagan's house.
I wasn't supposed to.
I'm not going over to your house anymore.
Who'd you speak with?
Reagan's mom said.
Okay. What are you going to do tonight?
I'm sleeping over at Reagan's house, but why?
Mommy has a little issue she had to take care of.
What?
I'll talk to you about it when I see you, okay, baby?
When are you going to see me?
Tomorrow.
But why don't you just get me today?
Baby, I'm so sorry. I'll give you a call in a little bit, okay?
No.
Baby, maybe I can come see you in a little bit. Mommy's just dealing with an issue right now, and I can't have you girls at the house.
Why?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sad I can't get you right now.
You don't seem sad.
I don't seem sad?
Now you do. Nothing. We're gonna go trick-or-treating.
Okay, good.
Well, I kind of want to know why I came to your house, because I was going to come to your house.
I knew you were, baby. I'm sorry. I can't come get you right now. I can't have Reagan's mom drop you off. I'll call you in a little bit, okay? I've got to go, though. I got to go. I have to call you back. I'm sorry, baby. I love you. I'll call you in a little bit. I love you. I'm sorry.
The handcuffing and escort to the patrol vehicle are evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force must be reasonable given the nature of the offense, the subject's resistance, and the threat presented. The subject was charged with a non-violent, disorderly person's offense. She verbally protested but did not physically resist. The appropriate response was minimal force, soft, empty hand control, which is what was applied. The officer also summoned a female officer to conduct the search of the female subject. This reflects compliance with standard agency protocol and avoids constitutional exposure under the Fourth Amendment. Grading the responding officer: A. He conducted a thorough pre-arrest investigation, reviewed multiple video sources, consulted his partner and a supervisor, and applied appropriate minimal force throughout. He loses points for framing the subject's position on the shared walkway as though it were itself suspicious, conflating lawful presence with culpable conduct before reviewing all available evidence. Grading the subject: A, B+. She was cooperative despite visible distress, offered video evidence proactively, and identified a legally coherent argument that the other party initiated the encounter. She loses points for the one act that created her legal jeopardy: speaking. She had been subject to this court order for over 2 years. The consequences of verbal contact were foreseeable and avoidable. Grading the complainant: A-B-. She exercised her legal rights by calling police and cooperating with the investigation. Her surveillance footage was the evidentiary foundation for the arrest. However, her own statement that she viewed the arrest as leverage in the unrelated HOA light dispute introduces a question about whether this call was made in good faith or instrumentally.
Hi.
Well, some fines for your time for police. Here to search you. Do you have anything on you that I'm fine? Nothing whatsoever? Okay.
Stay seated for 1 second, let me go grab the phone, and then hopefully we're able to get out of here. So when you do come here, like I said, otherwise, if you're not, you're going to have a warrant out for your arrest, which I know you understand, but we're going to need to fingerprint you when you come in, okay? Because I wasn't able to fingerprint you here. It's just a part of this whole thing. It'll take maybe 10 minutes. You've been cooperative with me. I'm not here to give you a hard time. Unfortunately, there's certain things that I have to act on, Can I just give you a word of advice with all this?
Yes.
Don't even engage or do any. But just hear me out. Don't even go over there and record because, like, you know what I mean?
I was taking a picture.
I know.
I wasn't even taking a picture of hers. I was taking a picture of the neighbors, and then when she started recording, I was at my home in front of my window because I had.
I understand, but the reason why you're in trouble though is because you actually initiated the speaking.
But she actually, I was there. She came, opened the door, and came out. She could have.
She never left her actual house.
She opened the door.
She opened the door.
Filming me. How is that? Like she.
No offense, you're in a public space. Anyone can be recorded.
I understand that, but she can just do whatever she wants, and I can.
She can explain your side to the court. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not here to like debate it with you or anything like that. But unfortunately there's certain things that I have to act on and do. So that's what happened today. Hopefully this is a bit of a learning experience. Now, when are you and your fiance getting married? July. June. All right, come on out. Appreciate it. I was like, yeah, I'm locked in here.
Yeah.
All right, just gonna go to the back seat again, and I'll drive you back to your house, okay? Just be careful, it's a little tight. Just throw that seatbelt on for me, please. Thank you. Do you have any questions for me? Okay. I'll let you out 1 second. You're all good to go, okay?
Have a good night.
Thank you, too. Hi, how are you? Just so you know, she was arrested.
Okay.
She did get released.
Okay.
But she's gonna have to go to court.
That's like bail or something?
Yeah, so they don't really do that. But she's gonna have to go to court. So she got charged with it.
Typical that Tick gets released.
Yeah, so she got charged with everything.
Okay.
So she's gonna go call to court. You probably will too.
Okay, because
So-
typically I feel like it's good for me to show up.
Yeah,
to,
it's like November 14th, but they'll reach out to you. I put you as a victim with it.
Okay.
Are you around tomorrow?
Yeah.
I just have to drop a form off for you.
Okay.
It's a Vine form just saying you're a victim of a crime.
All right, or I can come down to the station if that's easy.
Literally, I can fill it out and just drop it off, and simple
right.
as that.
Sounds good.
Just like I said, letting you know she has been released.
Okay, yeah,
So-
I appreciate it. I was kind of hoping she was.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's not much 'cause it's kind of a low charge. But I mean, part of your no contact order.
It said 30 days.
Yeah, but I can't do that. It has to be
By a judge.
exactly.
Got it.
So
And
yeah,
it'll be at Colts Neck or Superior.
it'll be at Colts Neck.
Okay.
Yep. Do you have any
Alright.
questions for me?
No, I think this said it was like a criminal violation, so.
Yeah, so it's still criminal. If it's like disorderly persons, it doesn't go up to the Superior
Oh,
Court.
okay.
It stays, and Judge Sandling's very
Okay.
aware with everything. I actually
Right.
spoke to her today.
Good, okay,
So,
yeah, because I was thinking about filing because of the light, but I feel like she's kind of been doing petty things like this, so I appreciate this like to leverage just to get
yeah.
something
So
in place.
that is all done.
Okay.
You shouldn't have any more issues.
Hopefully.
So,
Thank you.
all right.
appreciate
Like I said,
it.
I'll drop that off probably tomorrow around
And I
like
emailed
lunchtime,
you-
if that's okay.
Yeah, lunch. Thanks for giving me a
Yeah.
time frame.
Yeah,
I
like probably
emailed
between
you-
like 12 to 1 o'clock. I'll
Okay.
drop it off. I don't want to come here
emailed those
today.
videos to you. It took me a while because of cloud
Oxford.
storage and stuff, but I did get those out to you.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. All right. All right, thank you. Same to you. Have a good one. I'm good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
The lesson from this footage is precise. A no-contact order is not a symmetrical instrument. It does not bind both parties equally. It binds only the restrained party, and it binds that party absolutely. Provocation does not suspend the order. Perceived unfairness does not suspend the order. Even if the protected party behaves provocatively, the restrained party's sole legal remedy is to disengage and document through proper channels. Any attorney representing someone subject to a no-contact order should make this a priority advisement. Silence is compliance, and compliance is the only protection the order affords the restrained party in real time. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.